Hello viewers, only few days are left for Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival. In this video also I will answer some of the questions that people have asked me. The first question is that the best price of Moto Pad 60 Pro in Big Billion Days sale. If you want to buy the 128GB of Moto Pad 60 Pro, then the best price would be around 20,000 rupees, and if you are planning to buy the 256GB, in that case the best price would be 22,000 rupees. Another user asked me which is a better option to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus or OnePlus Pad 3. There is no denying the fact that Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus is a better tablet in comparison to OnePlus Pad 3, but there will be a huge price difference between these two tablets, so if you compare the price, I think OnePlus Pad 3 has an edge. Another user wants to know about the price of Lenovo Idea Tab Plus. If you want to buy this tablet, the best price would be 13,000 to 15,000 during Amazon Great Indian Festival. Next question is that what is the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Normally in the sale you get discounts on the base variants, but in this sale you will get discounts on 256GB variant also. I think the price will be around 50,000 rupees. Another user wants to know about the best tablet under 40,000 rupees. There are many tablets which are very good in this price category. In Big Billion Days sale, you can buy OnePlus Pad 2, iPad Air M2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, Samsung Galaxy S10 FE Plus. So if you want to buy any of these tablets, they will be very good under this price bracket. One of the users wants to know the price of Xiaomi Pad 6 in BBD sale. Xiaomi Pad 6 is an old tablet. I would not recommend you to buy this tablet, but yet if you want the best, if you don't expect any update and the best hardware inside a tablet under the price bracket of 20,000 rupees, you can definitely buy Xiaomi Pad 6. The expected price for the 128GB would be around 15,000 rupees on Amazon.in. And if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 18,000 rupees. Many users want to know, is iPad 11th generation good enough at 28,999 rupees? Actually Flipkart has already revealed the price of iPad 11th generation. I don't think this is a very good offer. If you get iPad 11th generation at around 26 to 27,000 rupees using your credit card, that will be a very good deal. But otherwise you should not buy this iPad 11th generation right now. Another user wants to know iPad 10th generation price in BBD sale. Though Amazon or Flipkart are not advertising anything about iPad 10th generation, there might be a deal on iPad 10th generation. If you get iPad 10th generation at a price point of 22,000 rupees, you can grab the deal. Otherwise you should go for iPad 11th generation. One of the users wants to know about the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, which is showing 36,000 with credit card or without credit card in Amazon.in. If you are planning to buy Tab S9, you will get this tablet at 35,999 rupees using your SBI credit card. So yeah, the discount will be applicable after credit card discount. Another user wants to know the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, S9 FE Plus, S10 FE and S10 FE Plus, all variants. The best price for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 128GB Wi-Fi variant is around 18,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 5G variant 128GB, in that case the best price would be around 22,000 rupees. And for the 256GB Wi-Fi variant, the best price would be around 28,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the best price for the Wi-Fi variant 128GB is around 22 to 23,000 rupees. For the 256GB Wi-Fi, the best price would be around 30,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 5G variant, in that case the best price would be around 32 to 33,000 rupees. Tab S10 FE is a newly launched tablet, so in that case you will not get good enough discount, but you can expect the price of Tab S10 FE at around 28,000 rupees for the 128 GB variant, and if you want to buy the 256 GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 32,000 rupees, and the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus 128 GB Wi-Fi variant will be around 40,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256 GB and 12 GB RAM, in that case the price may go up to 50,000 rupees. Another user wants to know which is the best time to buy any product on Amazon.in or Flipkart.com during BBD sale and Great Indian Festival. If you are planning to buy any tablet or any other smartphone or any other product, make sure you are purchasing that product just at the start of the sale, because if you don't buy the product just at the commencement of the deal, you will see that the price will increase gradually, and when you wake up in the morning the price will already go to the higher level. Many people are actually asking me about the card details on Flipkart and on Amazon.in. If you are planning to buy from Flipkart.com, in that case you should keep Axis Bank credit card or ICICI Bank credit card, and if you have the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, in that case also you will get discounts. And if you are planning to buy from Amazon.in, in that case you must have SBI credit card to grab the best deals and discounts, and if you have Amazon ICICI Bank credit card, in that case also you will get extra 5% discount if you are a Prime member. So before buying any tablet or any other product, you must have credit card, otherwise you may not get the best discounts. Some of the users are asking me whether there will be discounts without credit card or not. Yes, the price of many products will be at the lower price tag even without credit card, and if you have the credit card, that will be an added advantage for you. So if you want to get notified about the best deals and offers, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video. A lot of people actually watch my video but they don't like or hype my video, as a result of which YouTube doesn't promote my videos to new viewers. So you are earnestly requested to subscribe the channel, like the video and hype the video. And if you have any questions regarding this BBD sale or GIF sale, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.